In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling items on eBay. If you've ever considered turning your unused items into cash, or perhaps starting a small business from home, eBay is a fantastic platform to explore. Let's take it step by step and get you started. First, head over to ebay.com. This is where your selling journey begins. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll find numerous options that make it easy to navigate, but today we're focusing on becoming a seller. The next thing you'll want to do is locate the sell option, which is usually found at the top of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to a page specifically designed for sellers, offering all the tools and resources you need. This is where you start setting up your seller account, if you haven't done so already. It's quite straightforward, but don't hesitate to explore the additional guides and tips on the page. They can offer a wealth of information for new sellers. Once you've clicked on Sell, you'll see an option to list an item. Go ahead and click on it. This is the main portal you'll use to add and manage your listings. Here, you'll be prompted to enter details about the item you wish to sell. It will ask for specifics such as the condition, brand, and model. It's important to be as detailed and accurate as possible to give potential buyers a clear understanding of what you're offering. Consider including keywords in your listing title that buyers might use when searching for an item like yours. This can improve the visibility of your listing. Following that, you'll need to decide on your pricing strategy. You can choose between an auction-style listing, which allows buyers to bid on your items, or a fixed price listing, which has a set price. Each option has its benefits, so think about which aligns better with your selling strategy and item type. For auction listings, setting a sensible starting bid can incite competition and potentially increase the final sale price. Next, you'll be asked to upload photos of your item. High-quality images can make a significant difference, so ensure they are clear and showcase your item correctly. Try taking photos from multiple angles and include any unique features or defects. This helps in building trust with your buyers. Finally, after reviewing your listing for accuracy, go ahead and publish it. Congratulations, you've now created your first listing on eBay. As inquiries and bids start to roll in, keep track of communications through your eBay account. Providing prompt responses can improve your reputation as a seller. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to start selling items on eBay. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you list, the more you'll learn and improve. Good luck with selling, and thank you for joining us today.